We just made it to Kachar Mountain Park. This is a new nonprofit ski resort in Colorado that's not so new. This resort used to be called Pandera Ski Mountain or something like that. It was established in 1981 or 82, and it ran for a couple years, a couple decades, and then it closed down. For the last 20-ish years, this resort has been closed, mainly because of bad management, but now they are back up and running, and not with chairlifts. If you see right behind me, there is a snowcat, and that is how they are getting people up the mountain because the lifts need some work, some maintenance. And once again, this is now a non-profit ski resort, which is super crazy. We're gonna get into lots of details about that. But before we do, let's go get some laps. I brought Roman Dog with me and we're ready to shred. All right, Roman, load up. It's on. The seats are old school bus seats. Fun, man. First one out, Roman Dog. So I brought Roman because the terrain they have open right now is the lower part of the mountain. The mountain actually goes a lot higher, but due to the lifts not working stuff, they're only running the smaller half or the shorter half of the resort. The goal is to eventually, through the nonprofit, get the entire resort back up and running to its glory days. Still can't believe this is how we get up the mountain. They put mud flaps on the back of it so it's not kicking snow on everybody. They built this sled. This thing is wild. I love stuff like that so much when you come check out like small ski resorts and things. It's insane.
Like a video of you feeling yourself spray like that. It's sucking.
Good crowd today. The snowcat thing can bring up 22 people a go, so pretty good. Roman, good run, dude. And each lap takes 8 minutes, done. So you're getting lap after lap after lap. Section is so good for learning. Like if you had a beginner, you wanted to bring them here, it's only 40 bucks for a lift ticket or a snowcat ride, and you can teach them how to snowboard right there. That's incredible. We're gonna go dip into the park now because the park looks so fun. You're ripping, dude. Do you like that run?
Yeah, like right when I stopped, the snow just went over me. It felt like I was in the avalanche.
Oh, dang. This is Roman's favorite spot, right by the door, so you can be the first one out, right? This park looks so much fun. Let's go check out the park. Oh yeah! Okay, this park has barrels, and I can tell you this from my time snowboarding. Any terrain park that has barrel features means it's gonna be a great park. So, here we go. We'll do the right side, Chris. One of the best parts about this little ski resort is I just totally left Roman in the dust. I don't have to worry about it. He's coming. He can only come here.
Hey, slide that cross tie.
Nah, I feel like it'll damage my board. It's nice how fast each lap is. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, son.
Oh.
You're welcome.
What a nice guy. Someone once told me, if you don't every now and then have rider film or collisions.
You scared me so bad. As cool as this is, once they do get the new control panel for the lift, I still think you're gonna get a crap ton of runs. being able to ride that lift. So before we just get ourselves carried away with snowboarding, also let's let the piston bully get out of the way so you guys can hear me a little better. I want to remind you guys that Kachara Mountain Park is a nonprofit, and they literally operate the cat or everything. Obviously they sell some day tickets, but a lot of it's through donations and grants and things like that. And they're trying to, once again, return this ski resort to the awesomeness that it once was. And if you guys want to support that one, the link for the nonprofit is in the description. You guys can donate some money, which would be super huge if you guys were interested in helping them, you know, get this thing back up and going. Second, you should come. It's only $40 for a lift ticket or a snowcat ride. It's 2 hours south of Colorado Springs. It's like kind of southeast Colorado, which is kind of crazy. It gives off like a New Mexico kind of Arizona vibe for like how southern the resort is. It's great for beginners. I'm also an expert rider, having a ton of fun in the park. The park that they built is insane. For nonprofit, small, recycled like stuff that they turned into the features. Like the features are tons of fun. So I highly recommend checking them out. At least give them a follow on Instagram. Their Instagram's in the description. The donation link's in the description. And this is cool. And their goal is to try and get this resort fully operating all over again, but keep the lift prices down, because let's be real, skiing and snowboarding is getting way too expensive. And you can like ski in and sleep near the resort. So we stayed in Kachara, the city that this is resort's next to, at the Dodgton Inn. And Mike, the owner, is like the raddest dude, and the place was like super vibey and really rad. So if you do come here, stay at the Dodgton Inn. His stuff is in the description as well. It's a bed and breakfast, and he made some pretty good French toast this morning, I'm not gonna lie. And he's got stories for days. He's lived in the mountains his whole life, basically. Homemade parks are the best parks, guys. It's like a backyard park in there. It's so fun. All right, I'm gonna go get Roman Dog a pizza. I hear they got good pizza here. So I came to order the pizza, and I'm looking at the old map, and dude, this resort, so we're only riding this right here, and we're having a blast. Once they get this back, and then you can ride in this bowl, I'm sure this resort, when it's got a good snow year and it's fully up and running, is gonna be so sick. Said they can put a platter lift in over here too for more beginner terrain.
You gonna spray for us?
Yeah. Our ride is here.
Your ride's here, let's go. What's your hack here? What are you doing?
My key is just getting the first seat.
You like to get on last so you can get off first?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to record the pizza. We got some leftovers though. Roman, how'd you like the pizza, dude?
Good.
Good pizza?
Yep.
All right, let's see that big spray again. That was sick. Oh!
That was cool, Roman.
This park is insane. I am shocked at how well built every feature is. Even like the cannon to box is just like, it's built right. And by the way, Chris, standing here from looking, you could totally just hit the box if you wanted to. But I'm having a blast. Almost as much fun as I'm having with today's sticker shout out. We got Clayton with the black sticker on the white helmet. Absolutely looking insane, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker, we have tons of colors and styles and versions, even a ski version for all the skiers out there. I do this for a living, and that is one of the ways that supports me the best, is you guys snagging any of my merchandise. So thank you so much for snagging the stickers. If you do, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did. Now we got to get down there or we're going to miss our snowcat ride. So let's rip this run.
Yeah, they look good on landing.
Starting to get busy. People are here for it. I'm gonna backflip next time.
What did you say?
I said I'm gonna backflip the next run. I'll bet I'll get it next go. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned this. All the employees, everyone working here is doing it via volunteering. So if you want to volunteer, they will happily take you. So if you want to spend your weekend helping out the ski resort, you also get to ride the day you come out and help. That's another way to get, I think you get free skiing and you're helping out the ski resort by volunteering. Chris was saying, if you want to learn how to drive a snowcat, I bet this is a good way to get into it.
Yeah.
I'd let you do it maybe.
I didn't have to try hard to get into one last night.
He got in a snowcat. He was like a big kid in a candy shop.
Yes, I was.
He's like, look, it goes up and down the hill. The tight landing.
Yeah.
I love it. So the jump doesn't have the steepest landing, which is totally fine. Just making the backflip a little trickier. Get backflip at a mom pump ski resort.
Much better.
First one down, Roman. You beat me. You're the first one. You're the only one there, man.
You're the first one down, Roman.
Ski resort, yeah. Like to show around.
Oh,
Chris, you should hit that railroad tide.
yeah, let's do that. Hey, Jonathan.
I wasn't close, but it looked like you fell.
I'm getting wrecked
You're not supposed to rub your face on the ground.
twice in one run.
Yeah, you not any course. Whoa! You be careful with that.
Gonna get it, boy. Clean.
We'll go to a ski resort and just ride the same run over and over and over. So small ones like this don't bug me.
Boy.
You having fun still, dude? Dude, you've been laughing. Oh no. Speed demon. We're getting towards the end of the day, but we're still having fun. Woo! Oh, indeed.
That's a big flip.
Feel my full sendness mellowing out. Looks like we got 2 more in here.
And I make my own luck.
No.
He's off. I can't even keep up with him. But this one's Chipmunk, guys. Here we go.
Oh, whoa, front foot. Oh, almost killed me.
I jumped it.
Yeah.
Did you film it? Probably not.
I don't know. I was thinking you were about to kill me.
All right, our day is over here at Coachella Mountain Park or Pandera, depending on how old you are, because it will be how you, like their Instagram still goes by Pandera or something, but the mountains now can, it's a lot. There's a lot in there. Non-profit, you can donate once again. Super rad $40 lift tickets. Come check it out right now while you're still getting sled laps up by a snowmobile. Soon they'll get this lift running, and then hopefully there's a lift over there you can't even see they want to get going. And then the last lift will be the one that goes to the top. They have a whole plan and they need help. So if you want to volunteer, donate, or be a part of this rad ski resort. Roman Dog said this is your favorite ski resort we've done.
Yeah.
It's fun, right? It was nice too because I didn't have to worry about him. He was just getting on the lift all by himself and getting off and doing his run, and I was ripping the park and riding, and we had a blast, man. Thanks for helping Dad with the video.
I wish I could ride again.
I know, he doesn't want to end, doesn't want to stop today, but it does get kind of in the shadows at this point of the day too. Lastly, this is one of the remaining Colorado resorts I have to ride. I literally got 2 more to knock off on resortskimaps.com, and I've ridden every resort in Colorado. I do have a goal to ride every single ski resort in the United States, and if you want to track my progress, you can go to resortskimaps.com. It's a resort map of every resort in the US. All the green snowboarders are where I've been. You can click on them, watch the video there, and it's really rad. Red ones I haven't been to yet, so we're still working on this mission. Don't you guys worry, we will one day ride every resort in the United States. It is over. We had a blast. Thanks for watching, Team Buckhouse, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. YouTube really wants you to watch the video at the end of this one. It literally hand selected it for you.